Go.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Hi! I'm here with Nathaniel Perez, and he's about to eat a what?
A chocolate fried Klondike bar, originally originated from the Southeast Asian peninsula of Mindanao. That's in the Philippines. Now, let's try it out, right?
Let's go.
Wait, there's ice cream?
Yes,
It's a Klondike bar, dumbass.
Alright, well, let's see how it
Wow!
Burn, motherfucker.
First impressions?
goes. The texture of the friedness is complementing the ice cream, which is liquidy.
Can I
It's
try?
a little cool, but it's warm. I like it. Yes, mate. Suba? Suba?
First thoughts, Mar?
I don't like it.
Oh, what you then?
Mickey, try this. Tell us what you think.
Come on, Mike. Microphone.
Here, try some.
What is this? What is this?
Fried Klondike.
What?
Fried
Klondike.
Dick. Ah.
Klondike?
Oh.